Hello, welcome to question 12, section A, WASSCE 2025 Federal Mathematics for Ghanaian students. If alpha and beta are the root of the equation 3x squared plus 5x minus 2 equals 0, we have to find the value of 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. Now, in this quadratic equation, we need to know the sum of the root and the product of what? The root. So if I have 3x squared 5x minus 2 equals 0. If I compare with the original quadratic equation, you can see that my a, which is the first term in front of x squared, will be 3. My b is going to be 5. And my c is going to be what? Negative what? 2. Now remember to find the sum, this equation. So the sum, which is the alpha plus what? Beta, is minus b over a. Then product is also going to be the alpha times beta, which is going to be c on what? A. So if I am looking for sum, minus b over a, meaning minus 5 over 3. So the alpha plus beta is just going to be minus 5 over 3. Then alpha times beta is c over a, minus 2 over 3. So minus 2 over 3. So that is the sum and the product of that quadratic equation. Now let's take 1 on alpha plus 1 on beta. We have to find the value of this, so that I expand this or simplify this, finding the LCM to be alpha times beta. So if this go here, remain beta times 1. Beta goes here, cancel alpha, so I have this. If I want to be mischievous, I can say this is the same as what? Alpha plus beta, then alpha beta. You can see the same thing, whether you maintain that side or you come to this side. So now you see this in there as minus 5 on 3, alpha plus beta, then divided by alpha beta, which is minus 2 on what? 3. So right away I can see minus 5 on 3 times reciprocate this to give you 3 on minus 2. The minus will cancel. So let me write them plot. If they cancel, the 3 will also cancel. So I'll be left with only positive 5 divided by what? Positive 2. Let's check the options and see which one will go for that. I think the best one is going to be the option D. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come for more.